engine light on. Fan is not working. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, back with another video. Today we are on our way to Murugan Idli. Just a casual morning ride with Aditya, Sunil and Siddharth. So this is my first ride after getting the clutch bleeding done. One fan not working and stuff. Like yeah, that's what I was saying. Oh, there's an engine light on. I didn't even notice that. Shit. Alright guys, we're on the way to Dr Buza's. We're on the way to the garage. So the fan, you know, it's working right now. We're gonna have a stop here at the flyover and see if the fan is working properly. If it is, we'll just be on our way to the garage. It's working, and you can see the fan right in there. This right fan is working properly, but the left fan, but this fan is the one that was giving the problem. It's working now, but you know, it just randomly stops. It's kind of getting consistent with the problems. This bike, when I had the 10R, I didn't have much problems, to be very honest. Even this bike, you know, when I had it at the start, it didn't have much problems, but then now I don't know what's happening suddenly. I mean, yeah, I understand it's a common issue for the Ducati, but then still a problem which you feel upset about. I don't even know what the issue is. I will have to talk with the Ducati guy, see online what causes that, what, you know, if you can fix it yourself, kinda. ಅಣ್ಣ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಒಂದು ಸರಿ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಆನ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? It's working. Alright guys, it's been more than a week since we dropped off the Ducati. So they had to test it again and again to see if the fan doesn't turn off, you know, in between. They told it's running fine, but we'll have to see, because if it happens again, we'll have to change the thermosensor and the fan. So just I hope once you get the Ducati now, there's no more problems that's gonna come up. Even though it's cloudy, it's kind of hot, man. Damn. Alright. Suzuki Inazuma. Buy of bus. That electronics. Huh? Which one? F1? For racing and all, F1. Hi bro, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Another rare bike.
Oh, Bandit 1250cc.
Yeah.
God damn. R1. Old R1. See that one. See where the exhaust is. So these are Dr Buza's, you know, modified bikes, the stretched ones, which, you know, have been used for the drag race and stuff. And they won. That's the venom. See, old tenor. Chiru. Old tenor. Yeah. Oh. We're going up to the main garage. Ooh. Hi bro, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಓ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನು ಸೆಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? These are all the certificates of the drag races, I guess, and other races. Hey, it's a 10R. Oh, that looks really cool. Denny's. We'll see. I'll buy Alpine Stars, not Dainies. It's like you need for racing. Where am I racing? Not racing. The bike, they say it's ready, so I hope the bike will run fine. We'll see. Alright, we're on our way back home, and the bike hasn't heated up yet, so that I could check the fans. Alright, the right fan is working, and the left fan is working too. Alright, that's good. Fan is not working. Yeah guys, the fan has stopped working again, so I called Fees Pro, and he was like, we'll have to change the thermosensor and the fan. So he told take the bike home now, because he doesn't know when we'll get the replacement parts, but we'll see what to do. Right now, even if I use the stick, the fan's not turning, so yeah, I'll have to go very carefully and hope that the bike doesn't overheat or something. So yeah, let's see what to do. Yeah guys, the bike is the fan isn't working, so we'll just go home safely, and we'll see what happens next. I'll try to update you guys on my Insta, because I can't keep making videos of the Ducati problem. So yeah, I'll just stop the video here, I guess, because there's nothing much to film, there's nothing much to film, to be very honest. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please drop a like, share and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Ride safe. Peace. It's started. Yep. I got a new fan, and we're gonna fit the fan in, so hopefully that helps. Oh, my eyes.